Alam ng mga tao na ayaw niya sa kanila. The people knew he did not like them. Bukas ang tindahan mula umaga hanggang gabi. The store is open from morning till evening. Tila may hindi pagkakaintindihan ang dalawa. It seems they both have misunderstanding. Sa tingin ko, kailangan na nating umuwi. I guess we need to go home now. May ipapakita ako sa'yo. I'll show you something. Hindi ka pumasok sa trabaho kahapon. You didn't come to work yesterday. Tinanggal sa listahan ang pangalan mo. Your name was crossed off the list. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay umalis. All you have to do is leave. Magkikita naman tayo bukas. Anyway, we'll see each other tomorrow. Sa totoo lang, tinatamad ako. To be honest, I feel lazy. Maaari ka bang magbigay ng ibang petsa? Can you suggest other date? Sundan mo ako at ituturo ko sa'yo ang daan. Follow me and I'll show you the way. Ang haba ng biyahe, malayo pa ba? It's a very long trip. Is it still far? Magta-taxi na lang ako pauwi. I'll just take a taxi going home. Kanina nandyan lang siya. Mukhang iniwan na naman ako. He was just there earlier. It seems he left me again. Mawalang galang na. Kilala mo ba siya? Pardon me, but did you know him? Matagal ko na siyang hindi nakikita buhat nung umalis siya. I haven't seen her for a long time since she left. Isa lang ang masasabi ko. Sana maging masaya ka. There's only one thing I could say. I hope you'll be happy. Tuparin mo sana ang pangarap mo para sa akin. Please fulfill your dream for me. Ang ganda naman ng lugar na ito. This place is so beautiful. Puntahan mo ako kapag wala kang ginagawa. Come to my place if you're not busy. Hindi ito ang unang beses na nakapunta ako dito. This is not the first time I went here. Umalis na tayo habang may oras pa. Let's go while we still have time. Kukunin ko lang ang gamit ko sa loob. I'll just get my things inside.